Being an electronics and telecommunication student, antenna play a very important role. So antennas and wave propagation is a very important subject in the field of electronics and telecommunication. Basically, what is antenna? The antenna is a metallic device which is used for transmitting and reception of the radio waves. Antenna is a specialized transducer which convert the free space waves into the guided waves and or alternating AC into radio frequency waves. So there are two constituents of the antenna, transmitting antenna and the receiving antenna. The transmitting antenna receives the electrical input through the transmitting section, through the transmission line. It provides it to the transmitting antenna. So this transmission line is providing input to the transmitting antenna. Then these radio waves are transmitted through the free space, and now the receiving antenna is receiving all the radio waves, and through the transmission line it provides it to the receiving section. So the impedance matching plays very important role in the function of the antenna. So impedance matching is nothing but the matching the transmission line impedance to the load, which is nothing but the antenna. So here the characteristic impedance must be matched with the source impedance, and load impedance is also matched with the characteristic impedance. Then maximum power will be transferred from the source to load. Then antenna also acts as a resonant circuit. So antenna plays various roles. Antenna also acts as a transducer, it acts as a resonant circuit, it converts the radio waves into the free space waves and vice versa. So the resonant circuit, it is nothing but the like a resonant circuit, it must have the ability to transfer the energy from the electrostatic to electromagnetic energy. Obviously, constituent L and C part, these L and C values are chosen to either reject or accept the particular frequency. The release of RF energy, and according to the quantum mechanical concept, the atom, whenever it undergoes the stress, the orbits of the electronics in the atom of the dielectric surrounding, the antennas are subject to strong stress, and first in one direction and then in another direction. Therefore, they remove from their orbit to nearer to the orbit. So here release of energy will be takes place when the electrons are removed from the outer orbit to the orbits nearer to the nucleus. So release of energy, radiation will take place during this phase of transmission of electron from outer orbits to the nearer to the nucleus. So these are nothing but the fields of the dipole antenna, which are here dipole means positive and negative poles, and the fields will be generated like this. The first at t equal to 0, the dipole exhibit such kind of transmission at t equal to 0. After that, the detachment of energy process start. So at t equal to t by 4, this is ready for the detachment, and after that detachment of energy is go on continuing. So this is nothing but the movement, detachment of the energy from the dipole, and this goes on continuing and you are getting the radiated field. The fields are considered the near field region and the far field region, in which you will observe the in near field region the energy is nothing but the reactive energy, and in far field region you are getting actual signal. So best transmission will be take place in the near field region. Thank you.